Hello traders, this is Vishal. Welcome back to the channel, and you are looking at the Nifty Short Term View educational video. On the left hand side I have the Nifty Futures hourly chart, and on the right hand side, my friends, I have the Nifty Futures daily time frame chart. Now we can see that today almost all of the sectors have closed in the red territory except the FMCG pack, which has closed just below 0.5% up. And special thanks to PSU banks, which have managed to close more than 1% up. Apart from that, you can see the main indices, which is Nifty, has closed 47 points down, and Bank Nifty futures have closed 89 points up. Now, if you look at the daily time frame chart in terms of trend, obviously the trend is up as the prices are moving above both of the moving averages. And in the hourly time frame charts, my friends, you can see that the trend is absolutely flat. Neither it is up, neither it is down. In fact, in the last 2 days, price has been consolidating in a very tight range. You can see this consolidation is a very, very tight range. All right. Now, in the last couple of videos, I had clearly mentioned that close to that 18,900 or 19,100 levels, we are facing a stiff resistance. You can see this 161.8% Fibonacci extension over here. And from there, Nifty futures have managed to retrace by almost close to 320 points. Now, the question is, will this correction keep continuing on the downside? Well, as of now, it seems that we have hit a decent short-term support. It is just a decent short-term support. It is not for medium term. But I would like to share this support band with you, and the numbers are 18,673 to 18,580. So as far as prices are trading above this level, I think the bulls are safe. Once we start drifting below 18,580, possibly we could test somewhere around 18,500 levels, just 80 to 100 points down. So this entire band, once again, 18,673 to 18,580 is a decent short-term support band. In case if the Nifty futures bounce from here and if we start trading above this level of 18,558 or 18,560, then there is a decent chance of a short-term rally on the upside, which probably could last for maybe 80 to 100 points or maybe 150 points on the upside. More than that, as of now, it's very difficult to say because we are having a stiff resistance. And let's have a look at the Bank Nifty futures. Now, be very, very careful, my friends, if you are trading in Bank Nifty futures. The answer is yes, that the trend is certainly up. You can see that the prices are trading above both of the moving averages. I can completely agree to that. But in case if I just switch this candlestick chart into a line chart, things change immediately. You can see there is a higher high. Let me actually zoom out for you so it'll be much clearer for you. You can clearly see that there is a higher high over here, right? But once I, just bring this RSI in front of you, you can see a lower high in RSI. So this is a sign of a negative divergence. Now, if I look at the entire state of trend in Bank Nifty futures, is there any sign of a top out? My friends, there is. Frankly, this is not a sign of a top out, but this is certainly a sign that the momentum, the velocity with which prices were going higher, I think it's coming down. The momentum is slowing down. That's for sure. And once we have a look at the Bank Nifty futures in the hourly time frame charts, you can see over here, prices are very, very much range bound, especially in today's trade. It was absolutely zigzag. Now, to get more clarity, I would like to bring in front of you the private banking charts. If you have a look at the private banking charts, again, we do have a, negative divergence. You can see a higher high, you can see a lower high in private banking charts. If I do have a look at the PSU banking chart, it is clearly visible that we are having an inverted hammer, a shooting star over here. And in case if I convert this particular chart into a line chart, and if I just zoom in or zoom out, let me remove this for you. Okay. So once I, zoom out this particular RSI, we are having a lower high over here in RSI, and even in the price, we are having the higher high in price and lower high in the RSI. So basically, it's not a negative divergence as yet as it was in the private banks, but it is clearly visible that the momentum which the velocity with which prices were going higher, I think it should come to a halt, and some sort of consolidation, maybe some sort of profit booking is visible. And in my previous couple of educational videos, I've consistently maintaining my stance on the PSU banks that they are extremely overstretched and they certainly need to correct a lot. Till the time the trend is continuing, as a trend follower, yes, you can enjoy these profits, keep trailing your stop losses, but as soon as the stop loss hits, kindly come out of your long trades. All right. And this is my view for the Nifty and Bank Nifty for all of you. One single stock I would like to share with all of you is Reliance. Now, Reliance is one stock which in short term, as of now, it's completely flat in terms of trend. And in the daily time frame chart, it seems the trend is up. It has just retraced because, it's Reliance. It's not a mid cap which can rally consistently on the upside. Now, this is a zone which is a support zone. All right. This is just first 1 day candle, which is green. In case if it consolidates more and then if we see a rise, we could see just a small rally. I'm not talking about a very big swing trade on the upside, but just a small bounce of maybe a couple of percent on the upside. That is what I want to share with you in case if you are an extreme short-term trader. All right. So I hope that today's educational video has helped you to understand how Nifty, Bank Nifty will move in the next few days. Trade wisely. Thank you.